Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the 2019 Aprilia Tuono Factory, where today we've been out doing our first ride. And so I felt like, well, we've got a good stretch of road. It's not too busy today. Let's give you guys a little first bonus ride on the Aprilia Tuono. We're in race mode. Track mode, God, if track mode's as twitchy as race mode, woo, this thing's a beast. But if you guys haven't seen my first ride, we'll link it up above. But if you guys are new to bonus rides, bonus ride is simply this. I be quiet, I let the bike sing, and we give you a real nice ride. Now, Gaslight's just gone on, so let's see if we can make it into winners. But let's get this thing singing. Enjoy the ride, guys. We'll take it easy through this little spot up here. This is where the little chippies tend to hang out, so we'll take it a little easy through here, get past this little Subaru, back into some twisties. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and then ring that bell notification, because we got a lot of stuff going on with the Aprilia. If you guys are new to the channel, we have a Ducati Street Fighter, which is just built out crazy. We're getting ready to build an MT-03, so we've got a lot of fun stuff coming. We've got a couple ultra rares. We've got one on the truck coming from Michigan, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. But let's get past Mr. Subi and back into this thing. got a tad left, guys. We got a tad left. That was the outro. Thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure you do the normal, but we will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.